Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to display an irregular JSON in Sketchware. So here I have this JSON file which contains these JSON data and I will show you how to display it in Sketchware. So here you can see that it starts with a square bracket. If it starts with a square bracket, it means it is a JSON array which can be converted into a map list. So it starts with a square bracket and ends with a square bracket. So this complete thing is a map list. Now map list contains map variables. It is a list of map variables. So map variables start with square, this curly bracket. So we call it JSON objects here. Map variable means JSON objects. So these are square brackets. It starts with square bracket, curly bracket and ends with curly bracket. So here it is one map variable, then this second map variable starts here and second map variable ends here. Now inside this first map variable we have key value pairs. This is the key live TV category ID and its value 12, then key title and value news. Okay, these are string. The key is always a string. The value can be a string, it can be a JSON object, JSON array. Okay, it can be different things. It can even be a number. So the value of these two keys are string, but the value of this key channels is a JSON array. It starts with square bracket and it ends here with another square bracket. Now this JSON array, which can be converted into a list map, contains JSON objects which can be converted into map variables. So here this contains this JSON object starting with a curly bracket and ending at curly bracket, then another JSON object starting and ending here, and another JSON object. So it contains 3 JSON objects. Similarly, this second map variable or JSON object contains these two keys with values as string, and the third key channels whose value is a JSON array, and it contains these 1, 2 and 3 JSON objects. So let's have a look at this. This channels contains JSON object and each JSON object contains these keys: live TV ID, TV name and poster URL. So I have to display it in Sketchware. So first, since it contains more than one list, and first I will convert the complete thing to a map list. So I will just copy this and in Sketchware I will use this block JSON to list map. Now here I have a list map called map list. I have created a list map list, and here I will put this complete code. So this will get converted into map list. Now after this, in this map list I have these two, means it has 2 items and one of the keys in that is title. Both these items contain the key title. So I will get the title and display it in a spinner. So in order to do that, I will add a spinner here. Now from this map list I will use this block get value at position key title of list map list, and I have to display it in a spinner, so I have to add it to a list. So for that I have added a string list called list, and I will add it using this block add get value at position key title of list map list to list string list. Now since it has multiple positions, I will use a repeat block. First I will set n to 0, then I will use this repeat block, repeat for length of this map list, add get value at n, key title of list map list to listing list, and each time it repeats I will increase n by 1. Okay, so now we have a list of titles and we can display it in the spinner. Here I will add this spinner, set spinner data and spinner refresh data. So now it will display titles in the spinner, and when I select any title I will display it in a list view. I will display the, when I select the title I will display the channels in a list view. So here I will add a list view, and I have already created a custom view which contains these 3 text views, text view 1, 2 and 3. So for this spinner I will select this custom view as custom.xml. Now here you can see that the value of channels, which can be converted into a map list or list map, has at every position these 3 keys: live TV ID, TV name and poster URL. And again it has live TV ID, TV name and poster URL. The value of these are string variables, so I will display them in the 3 text views which I have added. So now let's convert the value of channels to list map. So for that I will add spinner 1 on item selected. When the item is selected I will get data at that position to a map variable. So here I will use this block, get at position of list map list to a map variable called map. Now we have, this means that we got this complete data starting from this curly bracket up to this curly bracket to a map variable. Okay, this is position 0 and the rest of thing is position 1. So we got this data to the map variable, which is this. Now we have, from this map we will get the value of channels and we will convert it to a JSON string. So the code for doing that is very simple. This is the code which we have to use. So if we have to convert it to a JSON string which can be converted into a map variable, then we have to use this code. Okay, from the map we have to get key and then we have to apply this new json.toJSON map.getKey comma new type token hashmap string object dot get type. So here hashmap string object represents a map variable, and this means that we'll get the value of map variable and convert it into a string variable, JSON string, and this JSON string can be converted into a map variable using the block. We can use this block JSON to map after that, and here we can put the string variable. Now in our case it is a JSON array. Okay, you can see that the data, the value starts with a square bracket. Okay, if it starts with a curly bracket then it can be converted into map variable, but here it starts with square brackets, so it can be converted into map list. So for that we have to use another code, which is this thing. We have to get the key and apply this new json.toJSON map.getKey comma new type token ArrayList hashmap string object dot get type. Here ArrayList hashmap string object represents a list map, so I will use this code. Now since string, if I write string s, it will be all programmatic, so I have to use block here. So that's why I've added a string variable called myString, and here I will use this myString. I will set myString is equal to new json.toJSON map.get. Here it is this map variable, so I will write map.get key. The key is channels, so I will write map.get channels. That will be converted into this myString, and now this can be converted into a list map by using this block JSON myString to list map channels1, and I can display this channels1 in the list view using this block list view1 set list custom view data list map channels1 and list view refresh data. Okay, that's all here. Now the next event is onBind custom view. Here I can display the data in the 3 text views which are there in my custom views. Text view 1, 2 and 3. Here I will display get value at position of list map channels1. So these are text view 1, 2 and 3, and they will display different keys. So let's have a look at the keys. The keys are live TV ID, TV name and poster URL. So I will just copy this poster URL, then there is TV name and live TV ID. Now let's check this. So here you can see that when news is selected, it displays the 3 news channels Aaj Tak, BBC News and Zee News, and when I select music, it displays these 3 music channels, channel ID 15, 56 and 17. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.